I have something really, really interesting to show you this morning. It's a Titanic exhibit that has come to Tampa, and it is right here, and it is immersive. Look at the side of a building. That's how larger than life I feel like this exhibit is. It's called Titanic Through the Eyes of the Passengers, and this exhibit doesn't rely as much on artifacts as it does the stories of the survivors and those who didn't survive that fateful night. Because of technology today, you literally feel like you're wandering the decks of the Titanic. You sit in a lifeboat as the night unfolds on screens around you. And there's then a VR element where you can explore the Titanic. Technology has made this sort of thing just amazing. Here for a few weeks, I will give you the little behind-the-scenes details. Titanic, an immersive voyage through the eyes of the passengers here in Tampa, right on Dale Mabry. This is where we're going to have a good day, Tampa Bay.
Elise is maybe freaking out, or officially freaking out. She'll be the first one there.
Titanic fan, is she?
Oh, yeah. Big time.
All right. Stay tuned.